Are you tired of your Instagram stories automatically showing up on Facebook? So, in this guide, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from sharing your stories to Facebook in just a few taps. So, in order to prevent Instagram from sharing your stories to Facebook, go ahead and open your Instagram application, log into your account, tap on the profile picture icon in the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. Now from this section, go to Account Center. Now go ahead and tap on Sharing Across Profiles, which is under Connected Experiences section. Now go ahead and tap on the Facebook profile that is linked. Here you'll get two different options of your Facebook story and your Facebook post. Go ahead and untoggle these options and you'll be done. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.